TVM. St. Vincent Police take down anybody. Amy St. Action Police take down anybody in the police.
Beep beep.
St. Action Police take down anybody.
Booking done.
Amy, say again for your point. Say Vincent Police take down one. Say Puffy Amy. Amy, say Puffy Amy again for your appointment. This is Superior City of the Townfield. What we going to do? I am never just starting on May 2026 on the cars to the interstate. Who can be? Who can know the true? Is toward on the highway interstate when that's right? Our Parkways 2026 and that. And they can be happen. Okay, let's start beginning. Once upon a time, there was an explosion movie 2026. She really got the interstate on the Chicooly on the going to Illinois River 2026. Who can be too? What is the sugar in me a toy to it? In the cars? And the cars are right there. Welcome to Peoria, Illinois 2026. Sees all the exploded states and parkways and countries. And then the world is special. That is a war state 2026 on a one stick house right there. Right there. Okay, the beginning opening sentence exploded 2026. So, it is called Louisiana. Welcome to Louisiana 2026. On a day on the road, on the overroad in Louisiana on the Tadala. There's across the bridge. There's across the bridge on the New Orleans. Look, patrol train brakes are not so on the train on the road. Maybe that's on it so much. Oh, there it goes right there on the Ocean Lake. Patrol train bridge right there. Straight to bridge. On the crossing the river on the Louisiana bridges right there on the two water flats in that tunnel. Oh, there he is! The New Orleans over there right there! Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana! From Explosion 226 from DreamWorks Animation, Unique Animation, and Tooth Fairy Animation 2026. Get to hear you do that? Yes! Say like that for your boy, what? Say like that for your boy. We're almost there, Louisiana! Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there, Louisiana! Say like I for you, say like that, boy. Say like that, you say this, like that, boy. Welcome to New Orleans. Welcome to Australia today. Okay, opening to movies day. Here we go.